Listen carefully. I need you to pay close attention to this. If you are between 15 and 22 and you think, I'm too young to make real money, that is a lie. Do not believe that for a single second. There are teenagers right now making $500, $1,000, even $3,000 per month, legally, from their bedroom. Today, I will show you how. We're going to break down the 3 most effective side hustles that require zero startup capital. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are high-income skills that the market is hungry for. Ready to change your future? Let's dive in. Welcome, young warrior. I am the monk in black sunglasses. I speak about peace and profit. In this video, I will show you 10 real ways teens can make money, how much you can actually earn, and which ones are fast. We'll look at which ones can grow big and which one I would choose if I were 16 again. No scams, no fake gurus. Only practical wisdom here. We'll separate the quick cash from the long-term wealth builders. From local services to digital tasks, these are paths that actually work for someone your age. I will help you decide if you need money by Friday or a business that pays for your future college. And I will reveal the one path I would take if I were starting over today with nothing but time. Only practical wisdom. Sit straight. Let us begin. Let us start with the obvious path, a part-time job. Fast food, retail, grocery store, movie theater. Average pay in the US, $12 to $80 per hour. If you work 15 hours per week at 15 hours, that is $225 per week. That is around $900 per month. That is real money. Yes, it is not glamorous, but discipline builds wealth. If you are 16, this is the easiest way to start.
Welcome to the modern world, where content is king and opportunities are everywhere. Small creators everywhere are struggling to keep up. They need help editing their short videos. You don't need to be a professional. Just download CapCut and get started today. Learn the basics. Focus on clean cuts and adding captions. That's where the magic happens. Start small. Charge $20 per short video. It's a great way to build your portfolio. If you edit just 2 videos a day, that's $40. That adds up to $1,200 a month. And the best part? You can do it all from home, on your own schedule. One teen I mentored made $800 in his first month just by DMing small YouTubers. It's simple. Skill plus effort equals income. Start your journey now.
If you're skilled at games like Fortnite, Valorant, or Minecraft, you're sitting on a side hustle goldmine. You don't just have to play. You can coach beginners and help them level up their game. Parents are willing to pay between $20 and $30 per hour for their child to improve under your guidance. It's a win-win. They get better results, and you get paid for your expertise. Think about it. If you coach just 5 hours per week at a rate of $25 per hour, that is a solid $125 every single week in extra cash. By the end of the month, that's $500. That's a new GPU or a serious savings boost. It's time to play smarter, not longer. Start coaching today and turn your passion into profit. Can you design thumbnails, write captions, build simple websites? Many teens have these skills. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow teens 18+, or you can use parental accounts to get started. Beginner freelancers often make anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month working part-time. For example, create YouTube thumbnails and charge $15 each for your services. If you make just 40 thumbnails per month, that is $600 in your pocket. It is simple math with a powerful result. Your freelancing journey starts now. Invest in your skills and start building your future today. The opportunities are endless. This is boring, but powerful. Lawn mowing, car washing, dog walking, snow shoveling. Most teens ignore this. That is why it works. The charge? $25 per lawn, $40 per car wash, $20 per dog walk. The math is simple. If you wash just 10 cars in a weekend, that's $400 in just 2 days. While others wait for inspiration, you build wealth. Start today. Success is found in the boring work. Buy low, sell higher. This is the simplest way to start your business journey today. Scour garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, and local thrift stores to find those hidden gems waiting to be flipped. Let's look at a real-world example. You find a pair of quality Nike shoes for just $15. List them online, find your buyer, and sell them for $45, just like that. That's a $30 profit on just one single flip. Simple, effective, and repeatable. Now imagine flipping 20 items a month. That's $600 in pure monthly profit. This isn't just about the extra cash. It's about developing a sharp, analytical business mindset. It builds awareness of value and market demand. I love this path. It's the perfect starting line for any entrepreneur. Start small, think big, and build your future one flip at a time. YouTube. But listen carefully. Do not start for money, start for skill. If you grow to 1,000 subscribers and get monetized, small channels earn $2 to $5 per $1,000 views. If you get 100,000 views in a month, you could earn $200 to $500. But the real money? Brand deals. A 10,000 subscriber teen channel can get $200 to $800 per sponsorship. Patience is required. The Monk approves long-term thinking. Are you good at school? If you're putting in the work to make great notes, you're sitting on a gold mine. The first step is simple. Turn those handwritten notes into professional PDFs. Think of it as digitizing your expertise. You can sell them for anywhere between $5 to $10. It's a small price for someone else's success. Now, let's look at the math. If just 100 students buy a $7 study guide from you, that's $700, all from work you've already finished for your own classes. This is the definition of passive income. Your past efforts continue to pay you while you focus on what's next. Don't just work hard, work smart. Business thinking is about finding the value in what you already do. Building this awareness early changes how you see the world. Every task is an opportunity for growth. Your knowledge has value, and there are people out there who need exactly what you've created. So, take those notes, make those PDFs, and start building your future today. You've got this. Have you thought about the value of your education? If you are strong in math or science, you have a marketable skill. There is a high demand for tutors for middle school students navigating their foundational years. A reasonable starting rate is $20 per hour. It's fair for you and affordable for parents. If you dedicate just 6 hours per week after your own classes or work, that adds up to $120 per week. It's a manageable commitment that fits your life. Over a month, that's $480 just for sharing what you already know. Think about what that extra income could do. Knowledge truly becomes income here. Helping students succeed is powerful karma. Start your tutoring journey today. AI is not your enemy. It is your assistant, a powerful tool waiting for you to command it. The first step is mastery. Learn AI image generation to create stunning visuals in seconds. Master AI script writing. Turn complex ideas into compelling narratives with just a few prompts. Use it for resume building. Help others stand out in a crowded job market with professionally structured CVs. Master thumbnail prompt creation. The secret to high click-through rates is now at your fingertips. Now turn that knowledge into profit. Charge people who do not understand this technology yet. Create resumes for $25 each. Make $20 per month, and that's an easy $500 in your pocket. This world rewards those who learn early. Don't wait for the future to arrive, be early. Let me tell you about a student. We will call him Daniel. Daniel was 17. He said, "Monk, I am broke." He spent $5 daily on snacks and $25 weekly on games. $60 monthly on random Amazon buys. Total monthly waste, around $300. I told him, "You are not broke, you are leaking." So Daniel started mowing 5 lawns per week at $25 each. That is $125 weekly. In 2 months, he saved $1,000. Not because he was lucky, because he decided. The power is in your hands. You must decide. Finding your path is easier than you think. You just need to look at who you are. If you are shy, start local services. Work with your hands, not a crowd. If you love computers, freelance, or edit videos, the digital world is your playground. If you love teaching, become a tutor. Share what you know. If you love business, flip items. Buy low, sell high, and scale. If you love content, start YouTube. Build your own audience. But here is the trap. Do not choose 5. Most people fail because they try to do everything at once. Choose one. Master it for 90 days. That is how you break through the noise. Remember, money respects focus. Stay the course and the results will follow. Let's talk about realistic expectations for your journey. The path isn't instant, but it is clear if you listen to the truth. In your first month, you are planting seeds. Expect to see between $100 and $300 as you find your footing. By the second month, your efforts begin to compound. A range of $300 to $800 is well within reach. The secret isn't magic. It is consistency. Like the steady hand in a garden, your daily actions build the future. After 6 months of unwavering consistency, the horizon changes. $1,000 or more per month becomes a real possibility. Is this a guarantee? No. Life offers no certainties. But is it possible? Absolutely. The potential lies within your discipline. The monk speaks truth. Focus on the work, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Begin your journey today. Do not fall for the lies of quick riches like make $10,000 in 7 days. If it sounds magical, it is a trap designed to exploit your impatience. Real, sustainable wealth isn't found in shortcuts. It requires a solid foundation. First, it requires skill. The mastery of your craft is your greatest asset. Second, it requires effort. There is no substitute for the hard work you put in. And third, it requires consistency, showing up every single day, even when it's hard. But before any of that, find your center. Peace first. Without it, you'll lose yourself in the chase. Profit second. When your mind is clear, the results will follow naturally. Stay grounded. Build for the long term. Peace first, profit second. True wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the discipline of your mind. In a world of fast spending and instant gratification, monk wisdom teaches us the power of patience and focus. To master money, you must first master yourself. If this video opened your eyes, I need you to do 3 things. First, like this video, so more teens can escape the trap of being broke and find this path. Second, comment below. Tell me your age and which financial method you will start today. Third, subscribe. Because every week, I teach the path to wealth through monk wisdom. Remember, you are never too young to build a legacy. You are simply early. And in the world of finance, being early is your greatest power. It's the ultimate advantage. I will see you in our next lesson. Until then, stay calm, stay focused, and most importantly, stay rich in discipline. This is the way.